Hey, Gary Baker here, 30minutemarketing.net. In this quick GroovePages tutorial video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a cool parallax effect in your GrooveFunnels website. So here we are inside of GroovePages, and all you simply need to do is click on a site to open the editor. And then, of course, once you're inside the site, you have access to the page where you want to add the cool parallax effect. So you have your blocks inside of GroovePages, this being the first block, this being the second block. And let's say we want to add that parallax effect between this mountain range and this feature set right here. So all we're simply going to do is come over to blocks, come over to wireframes, we'll come down to empty. We'll add an empty block right here between those two blocks, top and bottom. Then once you drag that empty block over there, you'll see you have an empty container. You want to make sure you're on the block. Check your breadcrumbs if you're not. And you want to make sure you're on the correct block. This is the block below. See the green border around that block. This is the block above. You want to make sure that you're on this block. Again, check your breadcrumbs as I clicked on it. You can see body, block, container, layout one container. Container is highlighted in red. That means we're in the container, not the block. So what we want to do is click on the block. This will add the image in the block background and allow it to go full screen across the width of the page. Then once you have the block selected, you come over here to the block configuration area. And what you'll see here are expert mode, transparency, global styles, custom attributes. What you want to do here is toggle the expert mode switch. Once you do that, you'll come down here to background. And you'll scroll down here and there's ability to choose an image. You click choose an image. You can either choose an image that you already have, or you can come to free stock photos and you can select one here. We'll just go ahead and go with a city landscape. And we'll just grab this right here by clicking add to my files. It'll upload into our files, into your files, under my files. After that's loaded up under my files, you can have the ability here to play with the width and the height and update those dimensions, but we'll just go ahead and select that image. You can see here that image is now inside of the background area, configuration area under the expert mode. All you do is at this point, go ahead and come down here to where it says parallax, and you simply click that switch that sets that image into parallax mode. And you can come back over here and you can see that this still says this is an empty container, but the image is underneath it and it's ready to view. You can view that by coming up here to this little eyeball and clicking preview. That will open your Groove page in a preview pane. Then there you can see when you start scrolling, you can see the parallax image is underneath there. And as you scroll, you can see the parallax image remaining there at all times throughout the scroll between the two blocks that we have there on our Groove page. So again, go back, recap. That is under the background configuration, under the block configuration element, here under the expert mode. Simply toggle that expert mode switch. If you turn it off now, you'll see that the background element does show up. The background configuration does show up because you have changed this default setting of no background to a background image. So now you can access it without the expert mode inside of the block configuration pane here inside of GroovePages. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead, drop those in the comments section. Check out the links in the description as well for more videos. Keep watching on how to set up GroovePages. And if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content just like the videos you see on the end screen, click those, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.